Flushing Meadows Corona Park preserves the legacy of two New York World's Fairs. Today, these iconic landmarks, including the Unisphere and the New York State Pavilion, are undergoing restoration, ensuring their history lives on for future generations. The three observation towers rise above the park, with the tallest reaching 226 feet 69 meters. Once open to the public, they offered spectacular panoramic views of New York City. The observation towers are currently undergoing a major restoration, including structural repairs, new elevators, waterproofing, and restoration of their iconic yellow crowns. These drone images from 2018 show the New York State Pavilion after decades of neglect. Rust, corrosion, and deteriorating concrete had left this World's Fair landmark in critical condition. The Tent of Tomorrow is an elliptical structure supported by 16 reinforced concrete columns, each nearly 100 feet tall. Its cable suspension roof was once among the largest of its kind in the world. The New York State Pavilion, designed by renowned architect Philip Johnson, consists of three major structures: the Tent of Tomorrow, the Observation Towers, and Theatrama. The Unisphere, built as the symbol of the 1964-1965 World's Fair, has become the park's most famous landmark. Standing 140 feet tall and weighing over 700,000 pounds 18 ton. It is one of the largest stainless steel globes ever constructed. The three orbital rings surrounding the globe commemorate humanity's early achievements in space exploration. They symbolize the orbits of Yuri Gagarin, the first person in space, John Glenn, the first American to orbit Earth, and Telstar, the world's first active communications satellite. Long before becoming a world-famous park, this area was a vast tidal marsh. New York City Parks Commissioner Robert Moses transformed this neglected landscape into the site of the 1939 World's Fair, laying the foundation for what would become New York City's fourth largest park.